Hi, today I'm for the new POCO C50 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen and then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon. After that we'll see here just the online wallpapers. We can use them if we'll be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. If you want to use the default wallpapers on your device, you should switch wallpapers to profile, tap to wallpapers, and here we'll see all of the available wallpapers, the default one. Also we can click here to this plus icon to use the photos from our gallery or Google Drive or just Google Photos. So let's for example use one from the default photos, click apply and select set as lock screen. If you want to use the wallpaper carousel, so to every time when you unlock your device you will change the wallpaper, you should click yes I agree. If you don't want to use the carousel, click to don't agree. Now just let's lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the empty the second way is we should just go to the settings and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Then you'll launch the same just wallpapers. The online you can use the default ones. I'll just use one from these available wallpapers, for example this one. Just let's look great. Then just click apply, tap set as lock screen. We can see that it's applied successfully, so just let's lock device and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.